Manufactured in the UK, the lifelong Apex shed really is built to last. Whether you need utility space, a workroom, or storage, the lifelong Apex could be exactly what you're looking for. The Apex roof provides that all-important headroom, making the shed feel more spacious and comfortable, especially if you plan to use it as a workshop or hobby room. This valuable extra height also means you can store taller items, like gardening tools, ladders, or sports equipment. The extra vertical space is great for installing high-level shelves, maximizing your storage space. This classic look helps the shed blend seamlessly into your garden compared to the more modern Pent-style roof. Our Apex sheds aren't just stylish, they're extremely robust and secure too. Made with maintenance-free PVC-coated steel cladding fitted onto a heavy-duty steel box frame, and a timber floor is included as standard. An anti-condensation treatment on the roof sheets ensures that condensation doesn't build up on the inside. Steel doors are fitted with bolts to ensure your building stays safe, and a double-glazed PVC opening window is included as standard. The timber floor is supported by a steel frame, so a concrete base is not required, saving you time and extra costs. These Apex models are available in a wide range of sizes, so they can be used for any purpose. A wide range of optional extras and security features are available, such as an extra wide door or double doors for wider access. Extra windows can be added, or if you need a more flexible layout, you can move the windows and doors to the side. Extra security features such as a lock cover guard, deadbolt lock and window bars are available should you need them. Shelves can be fitted the full width of the shed along with hooks for hanging tools, and workbenches could provide a useful workspace. A light switch and sockets can be added to bring electricity into the shed. You'll need an electrician to handle the wiring and connection. Lifelong Apex sheds are available in 5 colours: olive green, anthracite, Van Dyke brown, goosewing grey and terracotta. All sheds include a black roof and trim. Should you need something bigger or with a higher roof, custom sizes can be made. Or, if you just need some extra information about the buildings, please don't hesitate to contact us. And feel free to request one of our brochures from the website.